How far you can make up to $4,221 just on this platform. If you want to go into Nigerian stocks and you have just 1,000 naira, you can go into it. They are the cheapest. So this year I have decided to put in my first goal, to achieve my first goal in this year's month. And here is what I did. I started searching my phone on how to invest and how to make money. So I went into my Play Store, and after doing a lot of research, I started looking for the app called Bamboo. Bamboo app is one of the best investment platforms that your money is secured with. So guys, if you're seeing that video for the very first time, this is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? We talk about interesting things on how to make money online and how to increase your financial life. So after I clicked on the Get the Bamboo app on my phone, I started going through what their app looks like on the Play Store. Now I'm able to see that it is safe. It is also cheap, because you can run your investment on low capital, and I'm able to see that you can build wealth. In fact, there are a lot of Africans on this particular platform that I am sharing with you, because it is a platform that helps Africans to build wealth and invest in top companies. Now, after that, I clicked on the install app. I clicked on the install so I can install the app. So now this investment app that I decided to go into, I needed to do a background check. I checked what their website is about. I checked what people are saying, which is the review, and I can see that they have 4.2 rating review, and their website is actually good and their app is working perfectly fine. I also went through what is new on their platform, and I also went through their policy and privacy settings. Also, I was able to go through their informations, what the app looks like, the provider of the app, the size, language, how many years they've been on Play Store. That's like 4 years plus. And I was able to see that they have other subsidiary, like other apps as well under the Bamboo app itself. So that is fantastic. So what I did was to go through and read. After reading, I went through their policy, privacy fully, the app privacy fully, to actually know what I'm downloading on my phone. Their functionality, I was able to check everything. In fact, that is the first thing you check, especially when it is a finance app. That was what I did. I checked everything because I know it is a finance app and I cannot just install anything on my phone. So after then the app is installed, the next thing is to choose your country, which I did, and then input your details, which is the email, the phone number, your date of birth. And after you have input everything like that, you'll be able to input your password. Now, your password, you need to be very, very careful when it comes to inputting your password, because your password must include small letter, capital letter, one number, one special character, and it must be 8 in total. That has to be your password. After then, you have everything turned green. Next thing will be the confirmation code, which will be sent to your phone number to confirm the phone number that you actually gave them. Now, this confirmation code will be sent as an SMS, not as an email address. So in case you're looking to to be checking your email address, no, it will come into your message, and you might not even get a notification when you receive this confirmation code. It is actually to verify your phone number. After then, this is what the confirmation code looks like in your inbox. Then you go back to your Bamboo Play Store, your Bamboo app, and then you input your confirmation code, and then you create a pin. The pin is your passkey. Now, this 4-digit pin is the pin that you always use to open the app anytime you want to open it. Then you have it. Welcome to Bamboo. After which it says you are in control. That is, the Bamboo app is now your baby. So it says you are in control. You have to access the app, and you are free to do that right now. Then the next thing is to complete your KYC. KYC involves your personal information, like your BVN, your bank account, your bank details, this and that. These are the details they actually need. You have to select your bank. These are the details they actually need to, make the app run smoothly. For instance, now this is why I said you have to check the app itself. It is a secured app. And after you're done with everything, this is what your platform will look like. After you're done with everything, this is what it will look like. You need to also check your information, then update your email address. Yes, you need to update your email address so that you'll be getting their newsletters and everything. And if you have issues, they will be able to reach you on the email address you have actually updated. So that's it. Email address updated. It is as simple as that. Now, the next thing is to ensure that since the app is new, we don't know anything about the app, we have to click on the learn button. Now, this learn button, since it is a financial app, we don't just jump into it gara gara. You have to learn about the app. You need to learn about the app. You need to learn about what they do. It is an investment platform, so you need to understand that learning is very important. All the questions you have, this is where you will get all the answers you need. Now, I cannot give you all the answers you need personally, but this is where you get all the answers you need about this particular app. Now, once you're done there, you go to where it says take our course. Now, their course is a super course. It is a stock market course. Now, you learn how to invest in stocks like a pro, which is what you are planning to do. How to invest in stock like a pro. This is their disclaimer. You also have to read it. And this is how far you can make up to $4,221 just on this platform by investing. Now, this platform is a super interesting platform because you can make money in abundance depending on how much you invest on this particular website. Now, before you take their stock training like a pro, you need to register with them. Now, which means they will be sending more trainings to your email so that you'll be learning as you're earning. So that is what their platform does. You learn and at the same time you earn alongside. So once you've started your investment in their platform, you start learning as you are growing. Now, this is what it looks like. This is what their introductory section looks like for you to start your investment. The next thing is they have how to be a millionaire with bamboo. So you can be a millionaire with this app. I repeat, you can be a millionaire with this app. This is what their platform looks like. After all and all, you have to do what? You have to come back to the platform as well after you're done with the registration to check what the surroundings look like, especially on stocks. Now, this is the international stocks. As you can see, to buy stock or to own shares is super easy. How much is shares on Apple? This is what we can see right now. These are the Nigerian stocks. They are the cheapest. In fact, if you want to go into Nigerian stocks and you have just 1,000 naira, you can go into it. They are the cheapest stocks that you can actually buy, but you have to first learn how the platform works for you to start investing in the platform. So if you're able to learn how the platform works, that is the only way you can invest the right way. And if you're able to take their pro, that's the only way you can learn the right way. I'll be leaving a link to sign up on this particular website in the description box. Please do well to click it. And also, if you need any help, just go to their help section. They have individuals ready to help you whenever you have issues on their help section. It is as easy as ABC, so you don't have issues. I'll be dropping the link to sign up. Do well to click the link. It will either be the first in the description box or it will be the first in the comment section. Thank you. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.